You know, as an archaeologist, I've been doing this for many years. This is video 8 of this series at Maerdy, and the Ronde Vach, and you got a windmill here, and it's just I don't feel right being here today. But then when the gang sort of said, have a look at this, Morian 1 said, have a look at this, and I just thought, you've got a depression in the middle and you've got a curb around the outside, one stone, quite a solid stone, and you've got another stone, and you keep going. It's a depression in the middle, you've got a rise around it, and that's out of sync. But then you go around here, you've got more stones here, and it's just got that feeling of something really old, and you've got another curb. So it's a curbed monument, right? I'm gonna keep the words back for being a cairn, I'm gonna keep the words back for being a stone circle, but it's a curbed monument. So whatever this is, it's really interesting. You've got a depression in the middle. I'll go with this one. I come out with the gang, and sometimes you don't always see what you think you see, but with this one it's really interesting. And actually you're following some kind of a ridge around back to where I started. I like this one. There's a feeling about it, but I'm not going to call it a burial or a cairn, but I'm going to call it a curbed monument. And I'm told by my Ronde group again that this is a funerary landscape. KARL-JAMES, LANGFORD, Ronde, video 8, more to see today. I do like this one. It's a really good feeling. So much to see.